Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you about 5 hand yoga positions for a better life. That's right, hand yoga is a real thing. And if you use these hand yoga positions as well as some meditation, you can have a much better life, a much calmer life, a much better mental and physical state. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. And because this is about sort of meditation and hand yoga, I'm going to try and stay calm myself. Despite the fact that I usually get so excited when I do videos, I'm going to try and keep it calm. It's a new thing that I'm trying out here and there. So let's get right through these nice and quickly. Follow along with your own hands at home or wherever you are, in the car, at work, and so forth. It's a nice break for you to do some hand yoga. Number 1 is with your palms pressing together and fingers closed. Okay, just like this. Palms pressing together, fingers closed. You want to apply a little bit of pressure. I'm not going to say the names of each of these, partially because I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce them properly, but also because it really matters what they do. Okay, so this is about balance, harmony, and calming. So balance, harmony, and calming. That's the first one right over here. Some people do it with their thumbs out, some people do it with their thumbs in. Either way is fine. Number 2 is your thumb and your index fingers pressing together and the rest of your fingers pointing outwards. Just like this. This is the typical meditation pose that you've probably seen with regards to hands, okay? Now this is actually for unity, connection, and oneness. Just like this, okay? And I'll tell you how to utilize these towards the end of the video. Number 3 is taking your index, okay, and your middle finger, and you're bringing them in towards your palm like this, and your other fingers are straight out like this, as straight as you can get them. So index and middle finger towards your palm, and your other fingers are straight out like this. Okay, now this is for calming the anxious mind. If you're experiencing anxiety, this is the one that you have to try out. It's also a good stretch on your fingers, and that helps with the calming factor as well. And yeah, definitely, I'm trying to read my notes here. I'm struggling with this part. I put also pair it with breathing, but I'll go over that towards the end of the video. Number 4, palms together, okay, like the first one, but separate your fingers like a lotus flower. Okay, now this is like a lotus flower, and this is about openness and blossoming. When you do this, you can go like this if you want to, or like this, depends on where you're seated or standing and so forth. Number 5, the last hand yoga position that I want to go over, but stay tuned till the end because I'm going to show you how to utilize them, is to hook your thumbs together, like this. So hook your thumbs together, and then get your palms facing you, like this, okay? And just sort of move your fingers. Like a bird, basically, like an eagle flying through the sky, okay? And this is about discovery, invigoration, and balancing once again, okay? Now, those are your 5 hand yoga positions that you can use regularly. Now, how do you use them? Well, you want to take each of them, or whichever ones you want to focus on, and you want to hold them for, I'd say, like 1 to 2 minutes each. You don't want to go longer than that, but you also don't want to go shorter than that. 1 to 2 minutes is perfectly fine, and pair it with some relaxing breathing. I'm going to calm myself down. Relaxing breathing, and also just calming of the mind. And when you do that, you'll have hand yoga positions that will hopefully lead to a better life for you. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.